Welcome to Consumer Times. In this video, we dive deep into one of the most transformative shifts in modern history, the artificial intelligence revolution in military defense. From autonomous fighter drones to AI-powered naval warfare systems, the world's armed forces are rapidly integrating cutting-edge AI technologies into their strategies. We cover how the Air Force is using AI for drone warfare and surveillance, how the Army is deploying intelligent battlefield robots, and how the Navy is leveraging AI for submarine detection and cyber defense. Whether you are a defense enthusiast, technology follower, or curious citizen, this video is your complete guide to the AI-powered future of national security. Welcome back to Consumer Times, the channel that keeps you informed about the world-changing technologies shaping our future. I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar. Today, we are exploring one of the most consequential revolutions of our time, artificial intelligence in military defense. From the skies above to the depths of the ocean, AI is fundamentally rewriting the rules of warfare, strategy, and national security. Buckle up. The future of defense is here, and it is powered by algorithms. The modern Air Force is undergoing a radical transformation. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It is actively flying missions, processing intelligence, and making split-second tactical decisions that would take human pilots valuable seconds or minutes. Autonomous drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are now capable of conducting surveillance, delivering precision strikes, and even engaging in aerial combat without a human in the cockpit. In 2020, the United States DARPA Alpha dogfight trials made history when an AI-piloted virtual F-16 defeated an experienced human fighter pilot 5-0. This was not just a simulation victory, it was a signal that AI aerial combat is a very real and near future. Beyond combat, AI is transforming Air Force logistics and maintenance. Predictive maintenance systems analyze sensor data from aircraft engines and components in real time, flagging potential failures before they occur. This reduces aircraft downtime by up to 40%, saving billions in maintenance costs and keeping more jets in the air when it matters most. AI-driven intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) platforms can process thousands of hours of drone footage and satellite imagery in minutes, a task that would take human analysts weeks. This speed advantage translates directly into faster, more accurate battlefield decisions. On the ground, the Army is deploying AI to give soldiers a decisive edge. The battlefield of tomorrow will see intelligent robots, smart weapons, and AI-powered command systems working alongside human troops in ways that seem almost science fiction today. Autonomous ground vehicles are already being tested to carry supplies, evacuate casualties, and even provide fire support in high-risk zones, keeping human soldiers out of direct danger. Companies and defense agencies are developing robotic platforms capable of navigating rugged terrain, identifying threats, and responding to voice and gesture commands from field commanders. AI-powered situational awareness systems are perhaps the most significant development. These platforms aggregate data from satellites, drones, sensors, and field reports to create a real-time, comprehensive picture of the battlefield. Commanders can now make tactical decisions faster and with far more confidence, dramatically reducing what military strategists call the fog of war. Smart exoskeletons, wearable robotic suits enhanced with AI, are being developed to augment soldier strength and endurance. These systems can help troops carry heavy loads across long distances while monitoring vital signs and alerting medical units to injuries in real time. AI is also revolutionizing military training. Immersive virtual reality training simulations powered by AI can replicate real-world combat scenarios with remarkable accuracy, preparing soldiers for situations they have never physically encountered. Beneath the waves and across the world's oceans, the Navy is harnessing AI to dominate maritime warfare. From submarine detection to cybersecurity, artificial intelligence is providing naval forces with capabilities that were unimaginable just a decade ago. AI-enhanced sonar systems have dramatically improved submarine detection. Machine learning models can now distinguish between the acoustic signatures of different submarine classes, marine life, and background ocean noise with accuracy rates exceeding 95%, a massive leap from older passive sonar systems. This capability is critical in an era when adversary submarine fleets are growing rapidly. Autonomous naval drones, both surface and underwater, are being deployed for mine detection, surveillance, and anti-submarine warfare. These unmanned vessels can patrol vast stretches of ocean for days or weeks, transmitting data back to command centers and freeing up crewed ships for other missions. Cybersecurity is another critical frontier. Modern naval vessels are floating data centers, connected to satellites, command systems, and global networks. AI-powered cybersecurity platforms monitor these connections 24/7, detecting and neutralizing intrusion attempts in real time. Advanced naval cyber defense systems are capable of blocking tens of thousands of intrusion attempts per day, a volume that no human team could manage alone. The United States, China, Russia, India, Israel, and other major powers are all investing billions in military AI. China's 2017 National AI Strategy explicitly targets military dominance through AI by 2030. Russia has been developing AI-enabled weapons platforms and autonomous combat vehicles. India is rapidly expanding its AI defense capabilities with a dedicated AI task force in the Ministry of Defense. This is not simply a technological competition, it is a strategic race that will determine military superiority for decades to come. The nation that masters military AI first will hold an overwhelming advantage in any future conflict. With enormous power comes enormous responsibility. The rise of autonomous weapons and AI-driven warfare raises profound ethical and legal questions. Who is accountable when an autonomous drone makes a fatal error? How do we prevent AI systems from being hacked or manipulated by adversaries? What are the rules of engagement for systems that can kill without human authorization? International bodies, defense ethicists, and technology experts are urgently calling for clear frameworks and treaties governing the use of AI in warfare. The development of lethal autonomous weapon systems, LAWS, popularly known as killer robots, has triggered intense global debate at the United Nations. Striking the right balance between technological capability and moral responsibility is one of the defining challenges of our era. Looking ahead, the integration of AI in defense will only accelerate. We can expect swarms of coordinated autonomous drones operating as a single battlefield unit, AI systems that can predict and prevent conflicts before they escalate, hypersonic missile guidance powered by neural networks, and fully AI-managed supply chains that keep armies in the field longer and more efficiently. The future battlefield may ultimately be decided not by the bravest soldiers or the most powerful weapons, but by who has the smartest algorithms. The AI revolution in defense is not a distant future scenario. It is unfolding right now, in air bases, army camps, and naval fleets across the globe. It offers extraordinary advantages in capability, speed, and precision. But it also demands extraordinary responsibility, ethics, and international cooperation. Here at Consumer Times, we will continue to track these developments and bring you the clearest, most comprehensive coverage of the technologies reshaping our world. If you found this video valuable, please hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this. Drop your thoughts in the comments. We would love to hear what you think about AI in defense. Until next time, stay informed, stay curious. This is Consumer Times.